This is a video for how to go about creating breakout section views in Fusion 360. On the screen you'll notice that I have a cylindrical part here with a circular pattern of these teeth on the top, and I have also shelled out the bottom of the object. And if we were to make a drawing of this and create a section view, the section view cutting plane line that you see up here has to be linear and has to be like a 90-degree angle. So I have a directly across cutting plane line that cuts this object in half, and you can see that in the isometric view. We can see the hatch marks, we can see it's been directly cut in half, and it kind of gives us a nice idea of where material was cut. But if I wanted to create a section view that only gave me just a small part of an object, just a section view of just a small area, we would create a breakout section view. So in order to do so, I'm going to go in and create a new drawing, and I'm going to place this on a title block that I've created, and I'm going to say OK. And we get into a new view of the object. I'm going to place a new front view here, and I'm going to scale this up just for the sake of the video. I'm going to scale this at about half scale. We have our object right here. Now for the sake of doing a section view, I'm going to come back and double click on this view, and let's give ourselves some hidden edges. Right now we're on only visible edges. I want to go in and see those hidden lines. You can see all the hidden edges that I can't normally see. And I'm going to say close. And you'll see up here in the create menu, we have the normal section view that I just displayed right here, and to the right you're going to see a button called Breakout Section Views. And what this does is it's as if though we were going to just like take a bite out of an apple, and we only want one part of this as a section view for a very specific detail. So in order to create a section view, you have to select the view, and then it's asking you for something called the cut profile. And if you start on the outside of the object and you say, here's my bottom and my top, and I just kind of want to drag a window over the top of what I want, I can click here, hit the check mark, and you'll see now I have just a section view of this one little area right here. And I'm going to go ahead and say OK. If I were to come up to projected view, click on my view and drag up to create a section view, you can see that that is now cut out. This is much easier to see and understand if we go to a shaded view. And in a shaded view, you can see it's as if though we broke something off. That's why the term breakout is used, is because it looks like we just broke off just part of it. We don't need a full section view. We just want to see part of that object. You can see the hatch marks for where lines were cut, and this gives a really good concept of just a basic understanding of what's inside the object without having to create a full section view with a full cutting plane line. Breakout views are excellent for parts with really specific detail in one specific area of your part. It's a really good communication tool to use. So this has been a video for how to go about utilizing the Breakout Section View tool in Fusion 360.